Which Indian athlete is selected as Barbie role model? Deepa Karmakar. On the eve of International Women's Day, American toy maker Mattel introduced new Barbie dolls featuring role models from 18 countries. Deepa Karmakar started practicing gymnastics at the age of 6. She has won 77 medals, including 67 gold in various state, national, and international championships. She first gained attention when she won a bronze medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. At Rio 2016 Games, Deepa Karmakar created history by becoming India's first female gymnast to qualify for the final vault event. She missed out on bronze by a narrow margin, finishing 4th in the event. March 15 on every year is observed as World Consumer Rights Day. The consumer movement marks 15 March with World Consumer Rights Day every year as a means of raising global awareness about consumer rights and needs. Celebrating the day is a chance to demand that the rights of all consumers are respected and protected, and to protest against market abuses and social injustices which undermine those rights. The Indian economist who has been chosen for the Yashwantrao Chavan National Award 2018 is Raghuram Rajan. Former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan has been chosen for the Yashwantrao Chavan National Award 2018 for his contribution to economic development. He was the 23rd Governor of the Reserve Bank of India between September 2019 and September 2016. Rajan will be presented the award on the occasion of the 106th birth anniversary of Yashwantrao Chavan, who was the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra. How many geographical indication tags are present in India? 321. A geographical indication, that is GI tag, is a name or sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. The GI tag ensures that none other than those registered as authorized users are allowed to use the popular product name. Darjeeling tea became the first GI tag product in India. GI tag has a validity of 10 years. Which of the following countries is willing to set up 6 nuclear power plants in India? United States. The United States and India have agreed upon to set up 6 American nuclear power reactors in India for a proposed project in coastal district of Andhra Pradesh. The government has accorded in principle approval for setting up 6 units of light water reactors in cooperation with USA at Kovada Place in Srikakulam district of Andhra Pradesh. The project comprises of 6 units of 1200 megawatts each to be set in a sequential manner. Which team has won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2019? Karnataka. Karnataka has won their first ever Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, beating Maharashtra by 8 wickets in the final at Indore. This was the 10th edition of Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, a T20 competition in India which took place between 21st February to 14 March 2019. Which of the following aircrafts is barred from entering Indian airspace? Boeing 737 MAX 8. Indian government has barred Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft from entering the Indian airspace on the wake of plane crash in Ethiopia that killed 157 persons on board, including 4 Indians. The latest crash was the second such involving 737 MAX 8 aircraft in less than 5 months. The Ministry of Civil Aviation stated that no Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft will be allowed to enter or transit Indian airspace from 4 pm on March 13. Which country blocks UNSC bid to ban JEM chief Masood Azhar? China. China for the fourth time blocked a bid in the United Nations Security Council to designate Pakistan's Jaish-e-Mohammed's chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist. The proposal was moved by France, United Kingdom, and United States on February 2019 to the 1267 Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee of the UN Security Council on the wake of Pulwama terror attack by Pakistan-based terror group JEM that killed more than 40 CRPF personnel in India. Who is the spiritual head of Lingayat community that passed away recently? Mate Mahadevi. Basavadharma Pita President Mate Mahadevi passed away on 14 March 2019. Mate Mahadevi was one of the prominent faces of movement for separate religion status for Lingayat community. She was part of the renewed call for separate religion and grant of minority status for Lingayat. Who is the Finance Secretary of India? Subhash Chandra Garg. Subhash Chandra Garg is a 1983 batch IAS officer of Rajasthan cadre. He is the current Economic Affairs Secretary and Finance Secretary of India. He has also served as an Executive Director in the World Bank. Google search CrackU mocks for free RRB, SSC and banking mocks. Google search CrackU previous year papers to attempt previous year papers of RRB, SSC and banking examinations. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.